Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan Mae. I'm a luxury designer and creative director for my personal brand, Megan Mae Miami. This is a very special episode because I am showing you guys the debut, the launch, the coming of the liquid metal collection. Side note, make sure you guys stay tuned for the end of the video because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, so make sure you guys watch until the end. We actually debuted this collection for the very first time at Miami Swim Week back in July, mind you. Circumstances had it where we ended up having to launch now. And now is a better time than ever just because these pieces are absolutely beautiful and absolutely perfect for nighttime and perfect for the fall time. Super excited to jump into this video. There are 10 beautiful suits in 4 gorgeous colors, and I mean gorgeous. These suits actually reflect light and they just have such a beautiful sheen. They lay nicely on the body. Very cool style. Let's jump into the video. Starting with this very first look. This is one of my favorite Suthi style bowls. It is in the color sapphire. So it's one of the 4 gorgeous colors. This is a cobalt blue, very gorgeous blue. One of my favorite parts is it does reflect light so beautifully. What I love about this suit is that it's simple but not. Little tiny details that make it so special. Gold rings and the little gold clasp in the back. A strappy bikini that hooks in the back almost like a bra. Minimal coverage kind of in the front, so it feels very, very sexy. A beautiful triangle back. It is not a complete thong, but it is kind of a cheeky bottom. Let's get into the next one. Next suit is called Ambition. Something I wanted to mention about my brand is every single suit is named after a character trait that I embody. This one is called Ambition because really this brand is all about going after your dreams and making your life into whatever it is that you wish. It is in the color Midnight. What is so beautiful about the suit is not only the color, and as you can see how glossy it looks, but also because it is a double strap balconette top. Really holds the girls nicely. It's a double strap, very beautiful. Also a matching double strap on the bottom. It is adjustable both on the top and bottom. A triangle cut in the back. Lemonade water. Lemonade, mint, and strawberry soda water. It's so good. Moving right along, this is the passionate suit in the color Alchemy. Why I named this color Alchemy? Because I really believe in taking whatever life throws at you and alchemizing it and having it work in your favor. Life doesn't happen to us, it happens for us. We can allow circumstances to just happen to us and be victims of it, or we can alchemize it and utilize it to become better people, create our lives and design our lives into exactly what we want it to be. That is something I truly believe in. This is expert craftsmanship. I just love how this top is designed. The passionate top, it can be worn multiple ways. I'm just gonna show you this for now, but on my Instagram, I'm posting almost daily on there where I can show you different ways on how to wear the different pieces in this collection. Keep a lookout. It's on Megan Mae Miami on Instagram, and also my personal Instagram is Megan Mae Stevens. Go follow on there for more. This is the bottom. It is a cheeky bottom. It's a ruched back. So pretty. It hugs the body very nicely, and I just love how it kind of cinches down into a V in the front. It is such a pretty color. Bounces silver, but it's gold in and of itself, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Next up, this suit is called Charisma. It's in the color Graphite. I wore this at Miami Swim Week because I just couldn't not wear it. I had a few choices that was in between, and I ended up choosing this one because it is so sexy, so stunning. Knew it would look amazing on the runway. Decided to choose this one. It's very minimal coverage, but this is one of our monokinis. We only have a few of them. That's why it's so special, because this one is very unique in its design. I also show you guys how to put it on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following. It has like a peekaboo, is a complete thong in the back. It is just a stunning piece, and again, very, very unique. Strappy, it ties in the back. I absolutely love this one. Oh, and I wanted to note, when you get this one in the mail, it does come with little tiny pieces on there. They are microfiber pieces that come hooked to the swimwear itself. It shows you exactly how to put it on. You actually step into the bottom just like a regular bikini bottom. Pull the top over your head. That is why you're gonna see these little microfiber pieces on there that actually shows you how to put the swimwear on. And up next, we have this stunning suit that I have named Playful. And the reason I named it Playful is because it can be worn multiple ways. Very strappy bikini. It's double strap both on top and on bottom. The bottoms are so fun. They are a Tarzan bottom. You can make into a super thong, or you can pull it out for a bit more coverage. The top is really fun because it's a square cup up. You can actually pull it apart or you can bunch it up, play with it however you want. That is why I named it Playful. This next breathtaking suit is called Passionate. It is actually another way that you can wear the Passionate suit. I recommend this way if you are smaller busted on top, more of a halter when you wear it this way, and it kind of helps squeeze the girls together, if you will. This is in the color Midnight. Look how stunning. I always have imagined this color at a nighttime Miami pool party. This color would look incredible in the pool at night, the lights bouncing off of it. So that is the vision I had for that, especially on the runway at Miami Swim Week. It looks incredible. It almost looks like leather in my opinion. So chic, so elegant. So happy with it. Cheeky bottom, ruched bottom, very Miami. This next suit is an absolute eye catcher, absolute head turner. This is Playful in the color Graphite. You can wear Playful multiple ways. It's a very fun suit. Looks like liquid metal. Gives liquid metal. Gives the chains. It gives like the reflective CD or the disco ball. Tarzan back, double strap on both top and bottom, so you can have a lot of fun with it. You could tie it around your waist, take the top and tie it around your neck multiple ways. Really fun, really playful suit. Last but certainly not least, because we actually have 2 more suits in the liquid metal collection that are gonna be coming out, but I don't have them here with me right now, still up in New York. 2 more pieces in this collection that I'm really excited for you guys to see. This one is Playful in the color Alchemy, and what's really special about this is the Hamptons Fashion Week and Megan Mae Miami winner wore this on the runway. Her name was Annie, and she has such an incredible personal story. Go check her out. Just a fighter, a winner, a go-getter, and just never gave up on her dreams, and that's something I really loved about her. I do a model search every year. This year I got to do it twice. I got to do it for Miami Swim Week and for Hamptons Fashion Week. So make sure you guys are following on all of my platforms, including the YouTube channel and Instagram, because I love giving opportunities to women who wouldn't necessarily have it. I'm 5'3". I'm not a standard runway model size. That's where I wanted to change the game. I wanted to do something different. Now that I am a designer, I have my own shows, which means that I can have my own models and do a model search and pick a winner. I love doing that for girls, especially for Miami Swim Week coming up next July. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a very special, very exciting collection, and I'm so proud of it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. That's how I get this brand out there, so your support means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're not missing any future videos. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really truly appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and not to forget, I'm gonna be doing the giveaway. I'm gonna be doing a Megan Mae Miami swimsuit giveaway. Just follow the instructions down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video.